Did you know that what you eat before bed significantly impacts how you'll feel the next morning? For a refreshing and healthy start to your day, consider having a sip of olive oil before going to bed. Throughout history, from ancient Greece to modern wellness practices, olive oil has been prized for its healing properties. Consuming olive oil before bedtime is believed to offer various benefits, particularly for men's sexual health. As you sleep, your body undergoes repair, healing, and regenerating at the cellular level, and olive oil can support these processes in several ways. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned until the end for a valuable tip on maximizing your health benefits. In this video, we'll explore how drinking olive oil can boost your health while you sleep. From treating erectile dysfunction to aiding weight loss, we'll explain why men should consider drinking olive oil before bed. Join us as we uncover the untold benefits of this powerful natural remedy, especially for men's health. Men seeking a restful night's sleep might find it helpful to incorporate a small amount of extra virgin olive oil before bedtime. This natural sleep aid is widely used in Mediterranean cultures for its recognized sleep-promoting benefits. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that participants who took a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil before bed experienced more deep sleep than those who didn't. Deep sleep is crucial for cell repair and overall health. The study also noted lower cortisol levels among those who consumed olive oil, suggesting it has a calming effect that promotes sleep. Drinking olive oil before bed also provides the body with oleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid. Oleic acid has been shown to increase melatonin production, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle, produced by the pineal gland in response to signals from the brain about when it's time to sleep and wake up. A strong immune system is vital for overall health, protecting against infection and illness. Drinking olive oil before bed can boost the immune system thanks to its high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Free radicals, produced during normal metabolism, can become excessive due to stress, infection, or toxins. Antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols in olive oil neutralize these free radicals, preventing cell damage. These antioxidants also help increase the production of natural killer cells, which fight off viruses and pathogens. A study published in Nutrients examined olive oil's effect on immune function in healthy adults. The findings showed that consuming 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily for 4 weeks increased the number and activity of T cells, which fight infections. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties, including compounds like hydroxytyrosol and quercetin, reduce chronic inflammation linked to diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. These compounds inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, protecting the body from harm. Testosterone is crucial for men's sexual function, and low levels can lead to erectile dysfunction, ED. Drinking olive oil before bed can increase testosterone levels, boosting libido and improving sexual function. Oleic acids in olive oil stimulate luteinizing hormone release, triggering testosterone production in the testes. They also reduce the activity of an enzyme that breaks down testosterone, leading to higher levels of the hormone. Olive oil also contains polyphenols that improve endothelial function, enhancing blood flow and helping achieve and maintain an erection. A 2018 study from the University of Athens explored olive oil's effects on male sexual function. The study involved 40 men aged 30 to 55 with mild to moderate ED. They were given olive oil or corn oil for 9 weeks. The olive oil group saw a significant improvement in sexual function, with a 40% reduction in ED symptoms. The corn oil group saw no improvement. Men concerned about weight but lacking time or energy for intense workouts might find olive oil beneficial. Despite seeming counterintuitive, research shows that olive oil can aid in reducing body fat. This is due to the monounsaturated fats in olive oil, which promote weight loss through various mechanisms. These fats contribute to a sense of fullness, potentially reducing overall food intake, and boost metabolism, facilitating calorie burning even during sleep. They also lower triglyceride levels, a fat type linked to obesity and health issues. Consuming olive oil before bed can improve cholesterol levels, supporting weight loss efforts. Olive oil is rich in HDL, or good cholesterol, which helps eliminate LDL, or bad cholesterol, associated with weight gain and heart disease. Drinking olive oil before bed not only promotes internal health but also benefits your skin. During sleep, your body produces new skin cells and repairs damage from UV rays and environmental stressors. Olive oil, rich in vitamin E, protects the skin from further damage and enhances its reparative abilities. Vitamin E also strengthens nails and promotes hair growth. Inflammation, a primary contributor to skin conditions like wrinkles, acne, and eczema, can elevate sebum production, leading to clogged pores and acne. Inflammation can also increase melanin production, causing age spots and discoloration. Drinking olive oil before bed can reduce inflammation, giving you a more even, radiant complexion. Studies have also found that drinking olive oil before bed can increase collagen production due to polyphenols. Collagen is the main structural protein in our skin, and its production decreases with age, leading to sagging and wrinkles. Including olive oil in your daily routine can help maintain youthful, smooth skin. Drinking olive oil before bed can also prevent digestive problems. Constipation, a condition where stool becomes hard and dry, can cause symptoms like abdominal pain and bloating. Olive oil's natural laxative properties promote bowel regularity and soften stools. It also stimulates bile production, aiding digestion and relieving constipation. A small 4-week study found that people with chronic constipation who took 1 teaspoon of olive oil daily experienced significant relief, showing it was as effective as mineral oil. However, it's essential to be mindful of overconsumption. Limit your bedtime consumption of olive oil to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily for at least 4 weeks to reap the benefits without side effects. Now over to you, my friends. Do you consume olive oil before bedtime? If so, how often? Let us know in the comments. There are also several other ways to boost your testosterone level and prostate health. We invite you to watch a more detailed video on this subject. Check the first pinned comment for more information.